A lot of people don't realize this, but modern shower heads, the water pressure really kind of sucks. And that's purposeful to conserve water, but this is something that you can fix. Pretty much every single one of them, the water pressure is weak because they have a restrictor in them. This is said restrictor, which limits the amount of water that it will put out. Which, if you're worried about water conservation, great, sure. That's what this is for. If you want water pressure, then you take that out. So on this particular setup, that water restrictor is where the hose meets the handheld, but pretty much any shower head at a connection point, whether it be at here, in between, if it's a direct bolt on between there, there'll be something that resembles this. And it pulls right out. You just need, I used a pick. Basically just, if that's in the hose, get this underneath, get a pick underneath it, pull it out. The water pressure is near double what it was when this stupid thing was in. So that's how you improve water pressure in your shower head.